In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to play the song Fallin by Alicia Keys. Here's a demo of what that song sounds like. I keep on falling in and out of love with you. I never loved someone the way that I love you. Hey, thanks so much for checking out this video. If you got your ukulele on you and it's in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A, then let's dive right into this tutorial. Also, there's a chord chart available for Fallin, and you can find it in my ukulele songbook, which also contains chord charts for every song that I've taught through this channel. So check it out, link is in the description. And finally, I want to give a special thanks to my friend Chance Wagenfield for supporting me on Patreon and for allowing me to continue creating more ukulele content like this tutorial. So to play the song Fallin, there's two chords that we need to know, and those chords are D minor and A minor. Now, if you already know how to play those two chords, then great job. Feel free to skip ahead. Otherwise, let's break down these chords. So the first chord for the song is D minor. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the second string of the first fret, take your second finger, press down on the fourth string of the second fret, then take your third finger and press down on the third string of the second fret. This is D minor. And the last chord for the song is A minor. To play that, just take your second finger and press down on the fourth string of the second fret. This is A minor. Now we're going to learn the finger picking pattern for this entire song, and before I show you how to play the pattern, let me show you how to place your fingers on the strings. The first finger, which is your thumb, is going to go on the fourth string. Your second finger, which is your index, is going to go on the third string. Your third finger, which is your middle finger, is going on the second string, and then your fourth finger, which is your ring finger, is going to go on the first string. So it should look and sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now the finger picking pattern for this entire song is just going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2. Let's play through that pattern now on the D minor chord. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, D minor, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2. Now we're going to learn how to play the chord progression for this entire song. It's just going to be D minor for one turn of the finger picking pattern, A minor for one turn, back to D minor for one turn, and then finally A minor for another turn of the finger picking pattern. Let's put those elements all together now. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, D minor, ready, play. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, A minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, D minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, A minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2. And now let's play that finger picking pattern and the chord progression a little bit faster. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, D minor, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, A minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, D minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, A minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2. Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the finger picking pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through Fallin. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Oh, oh, I never felt this way. How do you give me so much pleasure and cause me so much pain? Just when I think I've taken more than would a fool, I start falling back in love with you. I keep on falling in and out of love with you. I never loved someone the way that I love you. Now, if you want to play through the rest of the song, then check out my ukulele cover for Fallin. And that's how you play Fallin by Alicia Keys. Thank you so much for checking out this tutorial, and I hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Also, I want to thank my friends at Flight Music for sponsoring this video and for allowing me to showcase my signature uke called the TUC UCU. It's available for purchase worldwide, and if you want to get your hands on this ukulele model, then check out the link in my description box below. Again, don't forget to subscribe, to check out my ukulele songbook, and to check out these next tutorials so you can keep practicing and keep playing, because you can uke.